Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to understand Wizz Air's baggage policy. If you're flying with Wizz Air and want to avoid unexpected fees or confusion at the airport, knowing exactly what you can bring and what costs extra will save you time and money. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website at https://www.wizzair.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Help Center link. Click on it to access all the support resources Wizz Air provides. Inside the Help Center, you'll see several categories. Click on Booking Information and Services, then select Baggage, and finally click on Baggage Allowance. This is where all the essential information about what you can bring on your flight is located. Take some time to read through this page carefully. It breaks down the policies for both cabin baggage and checked baggage, which are handled quite differently by Wizz Air. Understanding these distinctions is key to planning what you pack and how much you'll pay. Here's what you need to know about cabin baggage. Every passenger gets one free small hand luggage bag that must fit under the seat in front of you. The maximum size for this bag is 40 by 30 by 20 centimeters, and it can weigh up to 10 kilograms. This is your baseline allowance, no matter what ticket type you purchase. Now, if you want to bring a second larger cabin bag, like a trolley or small suitcase, you'll need to purchase Wizz Priority. This option allows you to bring a second bag up to 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters and also weighing up to 10 kilograms. Wizz Priority also lets you board earlier, which can be convenient. Next, look at the rules for checked baggage. Unlike your small cabin bag, checked baggage is never free and must be pre-purchased when you book or afterward through your booking. Wizz Air offers checked bags in 4 weight categories: 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms, 26 kilograms, or 32 kilograms per bag. You can check up to 6 bags per passenger, but each must be purchased separately. Be aware that if your bag exceeds the size or weight limit you paid for, oversized or overweight baggage fees will apply at the airport, and these can be quite steep. To avoid surprises, weigh and measure your luggage before you leave home. Scroll further down the page to review the fees section. Here you'll see how much checked baggage costs depending on the season and whether you purchase it online during booking or at the airport. Booking online is always cheaper, so plan ahead. If you're traveling with special items like sports equipment or a baby stroller, click on the FAQ or related links on the page. These sections provide detailed guidance on how these items are handled and whether they count toward your baggage allowance. You should also search for any specific baggage rules related to your departure or arrival airport, as some locations have localized restrictions or additional requirements. Finally, bookmark this page or take notes so you can easily refer back to it when booking your flight or packing your bags. Now you have a clear understanding of Wizz Air's baggage policy and can travel confidently without unexpected costs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.